everyone, welcome to my nookery. How is everybody? I hope all is well. It's a bit dull here today. Today we are going to be picking the winner of the sock yarn giveaway. I mean, you don't have to necessarily use the yarn for socks. You could make a hat with it. You could make fingerless gloves. But just to to show you what you're going to get for this giveaway, put that up there. You're going to get some of my favourite stitch markers, the light bulb stitch markers, which I use all the time when I'm making my socks. A 2.5 Zing Knit Pro 9-inch circular needle, which is my favourite again. And we've got this beautiful All Stars head over heels Stylecraft sock yarn, and if you can see, that's the way it knits up, and it is 75% superwash, 25% nylon, 400 meters, which is 437 yards. And yeah, so I don't think they've got a colour. Oh, Aussie, OSSIE, Aussie. So it's really nice colours. You've got peaches, greens, very pale. It's almost like a bluey grey, and creams. So shall we head over to the computer and pick the winner? And thank you for everybody who entered. Okay, so this is the video that I'm taking the URL from, copy, and we're going to try a different random org. Paste, so I've pasted it there, and include comments, filter for duplicate users, filter specific, so I'll say, and it was at it was Stylecraft that you had to type include replies, no, filter for duplicate users, put that on. And so let's see now, let's see if we can pick a winner. Good luck everybody. Sorry about this, it's new to me. No, I'm not a robot. Hello, pick a winner. So let's see. Oh, Judy Hawk. Congratulations, Judy. You are the sock yarn winner for May. Yay! Congratulations. So congratulations, Judy Hawk. You are the winner of the Stylecraft May sock yarn giveaway. What I need from you to do, Judy, is email me at this address. Either it'll be here or up here. It'll be on the screen. It's also in the description box. Email me your home address, and I will get your prize out posted to you before the end of this month. So once again, congratulations. Thank you to everybody for entering May's sock yarn giveaway. Don't forget to come back next month. I will have another sock yarn giveaway, and please share, like, subscribe. If you're new here, please think about subscribing. Hit those thummies, guys. Even if you don't leave a comment, the thumbs up are just as important as the comments. And welcome to all the newbies, all my new followers, and thank you so much for all my existing followers for being here with me throughout these years. Thank you all so very much. Don't forget, I'll see you again in June. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, as I always say, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye.